So Cindy's vegetable garden has nematodes. And if you don't know what those are, they're these nasty little micro critters that get into the root system and create these little, looks like grapes, creates these little balls on the roots. And saps all the energy from the plants. And the last couple of years, she started to battle these things. They're almost impossible to get rid of. So her vegetable garden has been suffering. I decided to put in some raised planters for her. Started looking at what it was going to cost, made a lumber list. I was going to do it all out of cedar and redwood. The labor on it was going to be out of this world. I needed like 10 raised boxes. The price on it was going to be like about $100 a box. So we were at Home Depot. We saw these, I guess they're like water troughs or feeding troughs. And I asked Cindy, what do you think? She said, yeah, those would do it. And I couldn't buy them fast enough. So we placed an order, and here they are, and away we go. And I want to set them up off the ground for her, so I'm going to put them on these bricks, but the bricks aren't quite big enough. It doesn't really need 2 bricks for each one, so I'm going to do this. That's got to be stable while she's working in it, so I'm putting these on there. Turn them around, they fit right in the bricks, and that way the tins won't slide. I'll put the tins on and then screw those into this. So we shoot those on there, nail them on, and then that'll fit right down inside the block like that. Level up the bricks, drop those plates into them, and then this sets on top. What I'll do, all these are just sitting here right now. They're not screwed into place, but this one is. So screw it into place, drill some holes for drainage. I might drill another one on each end. And that's solid. Solid like a rock. So we ordered some garden soil. We'll throw a little shade cloth in the bottom of those, then fill them up. What are you guys doing this weekend? How much dirt does a plant need? I don't think it needed any. Hydroponics. We could fill these things full of water. You have alternate uses for them. Yeah, I need help. Oh boy. I could think of some other uses for these. I don't remember the dog being a part of it. There's nothing for you, babe. I'm in big trouble. Okay. Sun's gone down, woman. Yeah, we're almost there. Very close. That's some good dirt. Wow. What a babe. All right, irrigation's all done. These beds are ready to plant. Just have to wait for springtime. This soil was really hot. There's a lot of fertilizer in there, so it's got to sit for a while anyway. But it's all done. Drip lines are in. All she's got to do is adjust them all. Flip a switch right here, and a lot of work. We'll see you in the springtime. I don't think this pile is getting any smaller. Oh, I'm done. I got so much dirt in my shoe. Hate to see what's in the other one.